This is what happens in a meeting. If somebody is saying your team member will have something else, just continue.
I got the point.
It's okay. Doesn't make a difference. Start and talk about Tom and Jerry.
The proceed that what's the matter? Like story जो भी है. I would like to go with that. If the point is of proceed and destination, the last part of the flow chart. Yeah. I would like to say any story begins with what happened, current status, and then move to proceed. Destination is like the ending stage, or I can say like the main matter of the part. Starting and the ending will come to the proceeding and destination part.
Add at the same time. Add. Keep standing. Add to whatever he's saying. Add whatever. You guys are in one office now. Okay? Guys, pay attention because I'm going to ask anyone. Add anything.
The goal rectangle.
Very good.
Desired outcome.
Yes. And desired outcome. Yes. So add something about your office. It could be anything. You come from this office. I'm going to work together. Your team is fine. Add anything you want to add. Hindi, English, kuch bhi, just add. I'm your client. Add. So that you're the big boss. These two guys work under you. How will you act with the client? How will you assure the client the work is going to happen? Assure me, I'm your client. Assure me that work will happen on time. Go ahead now. Start. Say the work will happen. Work will happen on time. We assure you the work will happen on time. Don't worry. Count on us. Just say that. Don't get nervous. Come on. Are you crazy? You're not going to cry, right? Don't freak me out. Just say that the team will work. The team will finish the work on time.
Work on time.
That's it. So why am I doing this? Communication between three people, right? So if you're the junior most, you're the manager, you're the boss, you have to tell the client, "Ki bhai, the work will happen on time." Finish the story, narration. So one can start, second can continue, and the third can just run it off the ending. Okay? Don't get nervous, yaar. What's your name? Mamta Goel ki clap karo yaar. Don't get nervous. You would be put under pressure. But यहाँ पे pressure ले लो. भाई office में नहीं हो रही. ठीक है? Be present in class. Sit. ठीक है? So this was cool. Okay? This is what happens in office. You keep switching. Tomorrow when you will go, this is how bonds will be formed. One, two, three.
I want to ask something. Like at the situation what I will face right now,
I
just forget the point he started from.
This will happen.
I was just outside. I just haven't heard what he said.
Okay, now
I forget the point. But at this stage,
ये जो कह रहे हैं, is it fine? If you're the boss, if you're his boss, she is the CEO, she is the Malkin. ठीक है? तो Malkin ने बोल दिया है कि भाई rest assured, आपके दो juniors बोल रहे हैं, you have to pay attention. ठीक है? That's the junior most worker, manager. He's saying he's gone out. He'll come inside the office. How can he say this? Now, as a boss, what will you tell him? आप अगर boss हो उनके, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? क्या समझाओगे? Practical, it's common sense. Nothing, कोई rocket science नहीं करना है.
I think I am on the place of boss, so I convey that's
ऊंचा.
That's not my problem. You have to communicate with your junior and then tell me the outcome.
That's like speaking like a boss. That's like boss life. That's very good. So, what does this teach us? That when you're in office, when the communication is happening, so you cannot say I'm out. You have to make up story. Fact.
I was asking one point. The point is, I haven't heard that last sentence or paragraph, जिसको मैं आगे carry forward करूँ.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
At that stage, what I have to do?
Okay.
Should I ask a point of fact?
नहीं. जब जैसे आपको अगर मैंने spotlight में डाल दिया, ठीक है? Fact. कुछ और शुरू कर दो. Sir, you know what? Sir, forget all this. You know what happened yesterday in our office. Okay, then till the time we don't get the information from him either through SMS or on the writing pad कि भाई client ये बोल रहा है, you can keep continuing something else.
So if slide is continuing, so
If the slide is continuing, you can go back to the slide. But this is what I'm trying to tell you, that if he's continuing, if he's saying you have no idea, and the ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना कि आप मीटिंग से लेट आए, आप मीटिंग में लेट आए हो, वो जूनियर ऑफिसर है, आप मीटिंग में लेट आए हो, you just entered and the client says कि हाँ भाई what is your point? That means you can say okay slide ये है मेरी, ठीक है? So sir, so what you can do? You can say sir, I want to start from the beginning.
Exactly.
You can do that. Or if you have no idea, अगर कोई slide नहीं है and he has not given you the information, faff. Just be a smart person, street smart person, and say, sir, forget all this. You know what happened yesterday in the office? My boss has told, change the topic. My boss has told me, Mamta, right? Mamta has told me that work will happen on time. Change the topic.
So the same thing happened in television news anchors with the television news anchors.
Yes.
Sometimes they forget the topic, but they keep telling people something extraordinary like this happened at that time.
So there are two things. That's a good learning example, right? This is on the spot thing. So either he gets some information from him. Till time he's not getting the information, either he goes back to the point A, or it's just facts.
So one point more, he has said point like it's a, he was saying like it's a single individual recording. Media is on, the camera is on fire. If it was a group discussion? It was a group discussion. It is in the air like.
Okay.
And if in case I am late, but I have to be there.
So let's say okay, then you have to say, कि
I can just excuse. I think.
I
can excuse. I get.
You can ask. Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, exactly.
But if the client has put you under pressure,
Sir, this is his problem that he is not attentive and is not paying attention.
I am the client, na? I don't care. I am the client.
If he is a client, then I have to repeat.
No, I am the client.
Okay.
He is the guy who's walking into the meeting.
Then I should ask and.
He should ask his junior, but he cannot ask in front of the meeting, na?
Yeah.
He can't because you guys are one.
We are working in a group discussion.
You are working in a group.
Then he should start.
So you should come to the meeting early.